put the guava tree in today, and now he's putting a little fountain in because this is Lucy's fountain, and now the little fountain over here, and the birds happen to use this one as a bird bath. Oh gosh, I hope the little cat Heidi doesn't get them. But look at that.
Echo, turn bird bath on.
Oh, is that one with Echo as well?
What? Say again. Echo, say again.
Sorry, there is nothing for you to do.
Echo, turn bird bath off. Echo, turn bird bath on.
Oh look, it attached to Echo. It's turned on. How cool! Oh my gosh! I tell you, this looks like just an ordinary house, but it's hooked up to Echo in every part. In the garden, in the bedrooms, in the kitchen, in the fountains. Oh, look. That is so nice. Underneath the papaya trees. Yay.